Probably. Y'all can see that? I'm recording these birds. I've been hearing something fly by my window, like fluff noise, like somebody is snatching out. But these birds, for about 15 minutes, have been acting so strange. Just look at them. You can hear them. Just look at them. Look, they're all fluttering in this tree. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Look at that. And they are flicking around so fast. What is going on? I never seen birds do this. When something is going on, the animals know first. Right? Right, guys? Right. It's kind of cloudy, but let's just focus on this tree. Look at them. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera. Look at that. That is crazy. These birds have like an anxiety or something. Like they know something we don't know. It's cold out here. Resurrection Jesus weekend. Very cold. Feels like about 57. I mean, these birds are moving so fast, back and forth. I could hardly keep up with them. Look at them. They have like this anxiety about them. It's crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let me... Sorry. They're still fluttering around. Okay.